Meaning of garbled.
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 Garbled. The word garbled refers to something that is distorted, jumbled, or mixed up in a way that makes it difficult to understand or decipher. It can refer to speech, text, or other forms of communication that are incomprehensible due to errors or confusion. The term can also describe a situation where information or data is changed in a way that alters its meaning. For example, a garbled message might be one that has been scrambled or interrupted during transmission, resulting in a confusing or unintelligible message.